Welcome, my name is Balazs and you're watching tech video with now a comparison of all the iPhone 12 mini colors and also comparison between the 12 mini and the regular 12 in terms of size, and of course the same colors, but still we want to check them out. So let's go into the Apple Store. It's the first day of sale of the Mini and the Pro Max and check them all out.
And there we have all the colors stacked up with the green on top, which looks a little bit like turquoise, but the blue is actually the really new one that is exciting for us. But let's see them all in one line, where you can see the green is now a little bit different now, and in a stack again. The blue one is kind of dark on the top, below is the black one, but let's just start with the silver one of my favorites, all-time favorites actually, with you can see the aluminum housing, the glossy back, and of course the black front. Then we have the next one, which is the green. We already seen that last year. It was an all-time favorite, so again they I think brought it back, so you can still buy this color with no headset port, of course still the 5G connection. And here I'm in Europe, so there's a little bit less design on the sides, but let's continue with one of my favorites, which is actually the red one, which is a little bit like a Bordeaux red on the side, darker red. Then on the bottom and top you have of course the same, but the back changes its colors again according to how much light we have, and the front has to be black of course again. Let's stay with black, because the all black is I think one of the most sold iPhones usually. Again here all gloss on the back, but all around it's completely fingerprint repellent, which I love. And here again the still dual camera with wide angle and regular wide angle camera, so we have ultra wide and regular wide. And then we have the new blue one, which looks amazing. I wish there would be a dark green one also like last year for the Pro series, but here the dark blue looks already great here for the mini, and I hope they continue on doing the minis for the next few years and we don't have to wait for a long time again for a small phone like we did since the SE from 2015. Here again all next to each other. The red, as you can see, is changing its color the most. Otherwise it's pretty standard. Yeah, I would say colors. It will be a hard choice for you guys which one to choose. I guess you either have a budget and then you just take the cheapest, or it's really all about not using it with a case. And then again, compared to the regular 12, here we have the mini on the left and the regular on the right. You can definitely see the difference. The mini just looks tiny, and there is not even the Pro Max here in the picture. I will have of course a video about all four right next to each other also, where you will see that the Pro Max is huge, but my favorite is definitely the mini, because we are back to doing everything we want on a phone in a small form factor. And I know the battery will be the most interesting for you guys, so I will definitely use that for 2-3 weeks and tell you after that on my everyday usage how I feel. And I'm just not commenting the colors now, because you can just see that we have the silver of course, and then the last one will be the green one here to compare the sizes. And yeah, the mini just looks really tiny. But also the camera looks kind of weird, because it's the same size as on the regular one, but it takes up more of the back. But you will see it more of course again here, again stacked up on top of each other. It looks a little bit better like that. And yeah, not too much commenting on this one, because we will check out also here, for example, that it was instead of curved now square on the sides. This is just so you guys can see that it's a little bit less bulky. And then here again in the store itself, when they are all set up, how beautiful they look. And the next picture will be interesting for you guys to see, because you can check out the old iPhone 11 colors also now just for a second, where you will be able to see that we had also yellow. But first just the colors again, so blue, red or green, or will it be white or black? Hard choices we have to make. And then here you can see last year's 11 with the lavendel and the yellow also. Otherwise we had, yeah, just 6 colors. Now we have 5. Then the iPad Airs, and of course here we have the Pros, the iPhones, which will be also in a separate video like this, with the Pro Max and the Pro right next to each other, but that will be in the next one, so check out. I'll come back again tomorrow for that, with more details about those. And we have here the cases that you can buy for all the new iPhones. So there's some outer boxes on the bottom with a little bit more craziness in color, but in regular silicone style. We have here the red, Bordeaux, green, all kinds of things here for the iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 mini and Pro Max for about $50, which is quite okay for a price, because you have the extra MagSafe also in the back, so it's a little bit stronger. It still works through it also, but it's definitely something that you have to watch out for, that the MagSafe is always here in, and you can see it here also in the leather cases. You don't have to get the see-through for that.
And this was already it with the iPhone 12 mini little color review for you guys. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and turn the ringer on if you want to see more awesome tech videos. And my name is Balázs. Thank you much for tuning in. I'm going back home through this beautiful city here in Munich. Till next time, see you again, and see you in the comment section also.